Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2019 Office Practice Past Question, question 47. Which of the following is an advantage of Open Office? It's A. Does not allow for privacy. B. Does not take account of workers' health. C. Encourages laziness and idleness. D. Helps staffs to share office equipment. And E. Makes the working environment impersonal. We are asked what for the advantage, one of the advantage of Open Office. And like you know, Open Office is a form of what? An office layout. We have two types of office layout. We have the Open Office layout and the Closed Office layout. But now we are asked for the what? We are asked for the advantage of an Open Office layout. Now, like you know, Open Office is a type in which what working space is shared among workers. That is, the workspace is what is not enclosed. Workspace is not enclosed. So therefore it is shared among what workers. Now it has advantage and disadvantages. Now option A says it does not allow for privacy. Now this is a disadvantage of office layout, so therefore it is not an advantage. B says does not take account of workers' health. It's also a disadvantage of Open Office, so it's not an advantage. C says encourage laziness, that is a disadvantage. And D says helps staff to share office equipment. Yes, this is an advantage of Open Office. It helps staff to share equipment. Let's take for instance, maybe there's a limited number of this office equipment. Now because of the Open Office layout, it is possible for the staffs to share this office equipment. So therefore this is an advantage of Open Office. Now E says makes the working environment impersonal. This is a disadvantage of Open Office. So therefore the answer to this question, which is an advantage of Open Office, is option D. Help staff to share office equipment. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe to the channel for more videos.